In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create digital products in Canva. If you're looking to get into the world of creating digital products, Canva is one of the easiest and most accessible tools out there for you. Whether you're planning to create cookbooks, social media content, or presentations, Canva makes the process incredibly straightforward and, most importantly, fun. Let's dive in and explore how you can start creating your own digital products today. First off, you'll want to head over to Canva's homepage. Once you're there, you'll see that Canva offers a variety of product types you can create, ranging from presentations to social media posts to documents and more. The choices are extensive, so take a moment to think about what you're aiming to create. For specialized projects such as a cookbook, simply type what you're looking for into the search bar. This will save you time and help narrow down your options to get you exactly where you need to be. Let's say we're creating a cookbook. After typing cookbook into the search bar, you'll be presented with a myriad of template options. It's genuinely this simple. Browse through the assortment of beautifully designed cookbook templates until you find one that speaks to your project or brand style. Once you've found a template you love, click Customize this template to open your selection. This is where the magic happens. Canva allows you to modify every aspect of the template, starting with the text. Adapt the text to match your recipes and culinary vision. This customization feature is a fantastic way to ensure that each element of the content resonates with your original thoughts and ideas. To take it a step further, you can enhance your creation by adding visual elements. Click on Uploads located on the side panel. This handy feature allows you to bring in your images. Maybe it's beautifully staged photos of your dishes, or even illustrations or logos you want to include in your cookbook. Simply drag and drop your chosen image into the designated sections on the template. You'll see the template come to life, filled with your personalized touches and creativity. Remember, the more you explore the different elements in Canva, the more polished and professional your digital product will become. There you have it, a straightforward, intuitive guide to creating digital products on Canva. By combining your creativity with Canva's powerful editing tools, you can design high-quality digital products that not only meet your needs but also impress anyone you share them with. Happy designing, and don't forget to explore all the different features Canva has to offer as you continue to develop your digital creations.